Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11, and you know that our subject is zoology, and our today's topic is vertebrates. Vertebrates. Dear students, these vertebrates are the advanced chordates that have cranium. If we talk about these vertebrates, these are advanced, that is advanced chordates having cranium. These vertebrates, we call them, they are also the advanced chordates having cranium, and in these chordates, there is presence of notochord. In vertebrates, there is presence of notochord. What is this notochord? In this notochord is present only in embryonic stage, and then it is replaced when they reach in the adult stage. That is, presence of notochord in the embryonic stage, then in the adult stage it is replaced. Though if we talk about it is second important character, that is in this presence of notochord is there, but the notochord is present only in the embryonic stage, that's in the earlier stage. Then when they becomes adult, the notochord is replaced by a bony vertebral column in adults, by a bony vertebral column. Then the third point which we have to discuss is very important, that is they have a high degree of cephalization. They have a high degree of cephalization. What is this cephalization? Cephalization actually means the formation of head. Though in the vertebrates there is a complete and a well-developed development of head, that is the formation of head. That is a complete head is present in the vertebrates. Then we talk about its digestive system. The vertebrates have a complete digestive system. Complete digestive system means digestive system starting from the mouth and it goes up to the anus, and it have a complete digestive process. And after getting the complete digestive process, these vertebrates, they pass on the digested food, converts into glucose, and the undigested food thrown out through the anus. Dear students, the muscles in the vertebrates be of three types: striped muscles, unstriped muscles, and cardiac muscles. Striped muscles, unstriped muscles, and cardiac muscles. And the next point is they have a well-developed coelom. That is, they are coelomates. They have a well-developed coelom. If we talk about the heart of the vertebrates is 3 or 4 chambered. 3 or 4 chambered. That means the heart of vertebrates is actually divided into 4 chambers. That is, they have a 3 or 4 chambered heart. Then they have a closed type of circulatory system. They have a closed type of circulatory system. They have a closed type of circulatory system. And respiration may occur through lungs, through skin, and all types of respiration, both lungs and the skin. That means in vertebrates, respiration takes place on both skin as well as on both the lungs. Then, if we talk about it is circulatory system, they have a closed type of blood circulatory system or vascular system. These are the points which we discussed about the vertebrates, and inshallah in the next lesson we will discuss it in detail. Thank you.